In this video, I am going to show you how to get and redeem CashKaro coupon code. To get coupon codes, 1. Visit the official website. 2. Subscribe to their newsletter if they offer one. 3. Follow on social media the platforms like Twitter, Facebook, or Instagram. They might occasionally share coupon codes or run giveaways on these channels. 4. Affiliate website or YouTube channels. Some content creators or affiliate marketers may provide coupons that they share with their audience. 5. Third-party coupon websites. Check popular coupon websites like RetailMeNot, Coupons.com, or Deals Plus. 5. Partnerships or collaborations. And 7. Promotional emails if they have ones. I am going to give you now one promo code or coupon code for this. Write it and you will have a discount. To redeem, browse the online store and add the items you want to your purchase. Once you've finished adding items to your cart, proceed to the checkout. On the checkout page or cart page, you'll typically find promo code or coupon code. Copy the code you have it and then paste it in that field. And then carry on with the purchasing and the coupon code will be applied. Thank you guys for watching, and please don't forget to like and subscribe for more.